Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off swipe gestures on your Android phone. So you can see I have 3-button navigation on right here, and I like this way more than having to do the swipe gestures. And then on my Google Pixel phone I have the same thing. But all we have to do is swipe down from the top right and go to settings and scroll on down in here. Go down to display, and then we're looking for the navigation options under here. So just look for that. We have navigation bar or navigation mode. We can tap this. And we're going to be on gesture navigation, where we have all these different swipe options. We just have this little bar on the bottom. I'm not sure how this works because I don't use it a whole lot. But we can just go back, and there's an option for 3-button navigation under there. So we can just go back to it, navigation mode, and then go to 3-button navigation, and I have a home button now and a back button. So turn this on or off. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.